very, ano mo yan, parang, woo! Grill. Ito ang rapper. Saucing in my blood. Hi guys, this is JC.
And this is Andrea.
And welcome to Pause and Play with AJ. So for this video guys, this is our first video. And we will be reacting to Long Shot. Yung name ng music nila is Saucin. And quick context, I saw this on TikTok. It's really hot right now. Super hot. And we decided to create a channel. And this is our first video. So huwag na natin patagalin. Let's go. So far thumbnail for me it's super maangas. I'm giving it's giving 2000 Y2K vibe, no?
And sakto pre-debut pa lang nila.
Okay.
So wala pa sila masyadong na-release.
Yan. So click na natin, huwag natin patagalin. Let's go. Okay, bakit may kumakain dito sa intro? Isa din to kumakain. Okay, sino tong kumakain ng chicken na to? Ayan. Okay.
J-Park.
J-Park. Hindi siya tumatanda no? Pogi pa rin.
Shot, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is Long Shot!
Oo, Long Shot.
This is a long shot! How dare you put up your middle finger?
Bakit ka galit?
This is a long shot!
Sorry na. Bakit ka galit?
How dare you put up your middle finger? Our revenue is down 95%!
Alam niyo ba guys?
Finger! Our revenue is down 90%!
Alam niyo ba kung nasa business kayo kung magkano yung 95% down? Pabankrupt na kayo. 5% na lang kinikita niya. Pero so far guys, initial reaction for me, parang pinapagalitan niya yung mga people. And I think ito na sila. It's giving Y2K vibes, no? Y2K vibes.
5%! Don't make me a song like the Starter Boys and don't come back until you do. You guys are idols. It's not
Oh, facial. May sila?
dating.
Parang kasi yung typical na
Oo.
setup ng mga idols, bawal sila mag-date.
Ay, ganyan?
Pinapagalitan sila, di ba, ng company.
Oh.
Kasi nare-restrict sila. Kasi yung mga fans, gusto parang,
Oh.
alam mo yung idol talaga.
Oh. Ganun talaga pala pag sa K-pop, no?
Parang pinoportray siya dyan.
So, may pinapoint ba si J-Park dito na parang...
Ayun
5%! Don't make me a song like the Starter Boys and don't...
Dapat, yung kanta nila parang, alam niyo yun?
Parang bumenta, ganun. Oh.
Mm.
Kawawa pala yung ibang idol, no? My God.
Like, parang serious talaga yung nangyayari sa mga K-pop idols.
Oh my God. It's really hard to be an idol.
Come back until you do. You guys are idols.
Hindi, kasi yung context dito, may gusto bang iparating si J-Park? Parang gano'n, di ba?
Ganon. Pero parang rin, nilalaro lang din nila ng mga K-pop idols. So.
Okay, so...
Tinatawanan nila si J-Park.
Gets?
Gets!
Gets? So, POV ng mga idols. Okay, okay. So, sila artist, business person. Okay. Okay, gets.
It's not dating. You do what I say.
Bawal makipag-date? Oh my God. Hirap nun.
And one more thing. Think. Yeah.
Kailangan perfect yung face.
Let's get it. Let's start the show. We out. Peace.
See? Rebel. Rebel yung context nila. It's giving, sabi ko nga, it's giving 2000 Y2K vibe. Panahon ng mga mama natin. Rebel. So, I'm expecting a lot. Yun natin.
Where are you going? Get back out of the house.
Galit si J-Park.
Dead masaya.
Dead masaya. Oh, look at that, bro. Oh my God, that shit is hard. Para talaga silang yung panahon nila Eminem. Ang galing.
May sarili silang
may sarili silang grills.
Alam mo yung sa New Jeans, meron silang Powerpuff Girls. Sa kanila naman ganyan.
Oh, wow. Galing.
Everybody disappear.
Maangas. So far, naangasan ako sa kanila. Ganda no, ang galing. Woo! Memphis. Sa mga mahilig dyan sa hip-hop, guys. Mahilig ako sa hip-hop. Yung vibe nila yung sa Memphis na underground na may pagka... Hindi ko alam, West Coast ba yung tawag doon na vibe? Yung, di ba yung beat, tuk 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 tuk, tapos may dung 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 yung bass. Ang galing, ang galing. Kung sino nag-produce nito, ang galing, ang galing. Grabing energy, no? Bakit? Sino Ooh, look at Lolo Drip, man! Ganyan. Kaangas si J-Park pagtanda niya.
I got tens on tens 보여줄 거 보란 듯이 When we did it, when we made it 그땐 좀 아플 텐데 All my brothers really with it Cause they're with me till the end More vision in this thing
Ha?
Minghao vibe, sa The 8.
Sino dito?
Sa 17 na to.
To grabe yung facial nila, no? Like, balance. Ito, ang meron silang characters, no? No portrait. Tsaka guys, ang ganda ng production. Very, alam mo yan, parang street na parang we own this shit. Parang ganun.
우린 안 쫓아가지 fame
Ganun sila.
Which way, contact pedal wicked 같은 freak but different 다 몰라도 그냥 직진 Let me tell you honestly No matter
Ganda na yung...
which way, no freak but different 다 몰라도
Paano yan? Yan yung Hindi pa yan yung main rapper sa group, no? Di ba may gano'n sa K-pop? Hindi pa to yung rapper, di pa?
Hindi ko sure eh.
Baka vocals.
Pero kailangan mo parang kilalanin sila kung sino dyan yung... Pero most of the time naman, nagpapalit-palit lang din.
Okay, gets.
pedal wicked
Ang galing ng flow niya.
같은 freak
Tapos
but different
magta-transition siya into
다 몰라도
vocals.
그냥 직진 Let me tell you honestly No
Ganun
matter which
boses.
way, no stopping we about to go stupid
Pogi daw. Pero pogi nga na. Siya pinaka-pogi for me din.
Switch until we D.I.E. We're growing up the evening The shadow started at the one step 다른 방식으로 two step 걱정하려 내 shit Sucks being my blood, sucks being my bitch Sucks being
Woo! Grill.
my DNA My body where the sauce is Push your boys move on, yeah This a long shot Welcome to your
Talagang pinupush nila yung ganitong
sauce is Push your boys move on, yeah This a long shot
Ang galing ng CGI. Grabing production. Ano ba, napakamahal ng ganyan, ng mag-design. Production, on point.
Gets ko na yung MV.
Gets mo na?
Introduction nila.
Ah.
Since pre-debut lang din.
Oh. Kaya yung lyrics niya, sauce in my blood. So parang meron akong nire-represent. This
Meron
is
silang
me!
identity.
Yeah, this is me. Long shot. Yeah.
Welcome to your coffin. Yeah, we take it down, step of style. Yeah, we're lawless. Yeah, we
Oh,
make
see. Welcome.
coffin. Yeah, we take it down, step of style. Yeah, we're
We lawless. Ibig sabihin yun, parang rebel sila. Meron silang, parang wala silang fina-follow na box. Out of box kami. This is us. Kaya pala yung intro kanina, di ba? Ni J-Park.
Parang kinokontrol sila pero ayaw nila magpa-control.
Yeah.
Something
Angas.
like that.
Angas.
lawless. Yeah, we Michelin in this thing. Yeah, we saucing. Let's go, let's go. I got it ready.
Uy, sinapak yun. Bakit naman?
Let's go, let's go.
So,
Pagka-vibe ng Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Go, let's go.
oh, yun. Yun yung hinahanap ko. Di ba? Yung parang Alvin Chipmunks. Pero apat sila. Tatlo na. Tsaka tignan mo yung rebel na sinasabi ko. Boom! Binato naman. Grabing energy nito. Lakas.
Pull up head to the studio. We made it.
Ito yung rapper. Ito yung rapper. Comment down below guys kung ito yung rapper talaga. I think ito yung rapper.
Pull up head to the studio where we made a banger on Warrior side. Beating up shot my bull, got you, my brothers, bitch,
Galing
my
ng
show
flow.
from time. Under a hurricane, I feel like God. I can't keep on real time. Patient, my life, 미래에 나에게 present. Don't be surprised. Yeah, let's get it. Me and my team act energy only. With the real sunshine.
Galing ng flow, ang galing ng flow. Ang galing ng flow.
Surprise. Yeah,
Ito yung pinasa niya dito.
yeah, let's get it. Me and my team act energy only. With the real sunshine. 내가 너의 손을 껴봐 morning. Yeah, I feel like I'm NASA.
Sinalikan nila si Jay Park. Kasi, they're lawless. Di ba?
But a rocket, yeah. 우리 팀 wrestle like a thief in a knife in a run. That's how we
Ganda talaga ng boses nito. Ano ba name yan? Comment nyo nga guys kung ano name niya. Angas. For you siya, pinaka-pogi no? So far.
Pogi mo sila lahat?
Magkakaiba sila ng vibe eh. When I say pogi, siguro...
Very unique sila.
Yeah. Siguro na guys, pinaka-pogi meaning parang pinaka... like, objectively attractive. Diba? Pero lahat sila guys, pogi. Meron sila sarili-sariling strength. Siguro lang na-image
Visuals.
sa style. Yeah, visuals. Tama. Visuals.
Visual.
Yeah, visuals.
We going up 내일 없는 것처럼 살이 날 또 one step 나는 바퀴를 two step 걱정 안 해 우리 next step
Paano yan?
How do you even do that? Pwede ko bang gawin sa EDSA yan? Pang overtake ka sa EDSA. Yung sa may
Pwede.
carousel. Props. The nod of approval. Ang
Ang
galing.
ganda ng production.
Yeah, production. Ang galing din ng ng sasakyan na to. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila ginawa to, pero ang lupit. Saucing. In my blood.
my DNA my blood be where the sauce is push your boys when walking it's that long shot walk onto your coffin yeah we take it down snap the star yeah we lawless yeah we Michelin in this thing yeah we saucing let's go
Oh my God! Anong ginawa niya doon sa mama?
yeah we saucing
Look at this.
Ang cute eh, no?
let's go
Kawawa siya. Ito guys yung 3 reactions ng ng gang nyo, di ba? Merong OA, may nonchalant, tapos merong parang natakot. Di ba ito yung parang pag sa friends nyo, yung parang siya yung pinaka-concerned. Ito naman yung pinaka-nonchalant na. Siya yung parang, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ang galing. So far, it's so good. Ang galing. Isa lang masasabi ko. Sauce in my blood. Sauce in my blood. Okay, meron pa siyang 2 yan. Tatapusin natin lahat to. Post-credits ba yung tama? Okay.
망가져도 돼 We going up 내일 없는 것처럼 살이 날 또 one step 다른 방식으로 two step 걱정 안 해
Bakit buntis si Jay Park? What happened?
우리 next step Sauce be my blood, sauce be my veins, sauce be my DNA
Ayun.
Jay Park, what happened to you, my brother? What happened? I challenge you this 2026. Ka-abs ka na. Hindi, baka lang to, cameo lang naman. Sana hindi totoo.
My blood be where the sauce is
Halo-halo na din.
It's that long shot Walk onto your couch
Hindi kaya yan? May idea ako, bebe. Hindi kaya symbolism yan na parang kayo yung anak ko ngayon. Di ba? Kasi bata ni Jay Park yung di ba? Parang I gave birth.
Your boys when walking It's that long shot Walk onto your
Nagwe-wave si
coffin Yeah we take it down Snap the star Yeah we lawless Yeah we Michelin
they look like minors. I think they're below 18. Minors nga. Sorry na.
in this thing, yeah, we saucing. Let's go.
Search her.
Mamaya.
I got it right.
Ito si Jay Park. Ano niya. Hindi kaya parang portrayal niya. Pinapagod nila yung ano.
Hindi, parang parang
Kinakalaban nila.
kinakalaban nila. Like,
Oh. Kaya, saucing in my blood. Okay. First muna sa akin. Or gusto mo ikaw mauna?
come on.
Ako muna daw. Impression or my initial, like first impression, they are super fresh. That's one. Fresh meaning they have new identity. Like, bago na bago. Second, energy. Grabe. Ang lakas. Hindi ako K-pop fan. Like, kilala ko yung mga iba pero hindi like super. I can really tell you guys, this is gonna be big in terms of their whole presentation. Meron silang character. Pogi sila. Grabe yung beats, like yung music, very moving. Yung lyrics, yung flow, they have technicalities sa pagra-rap, they know. And the music, they have visual and vocals. Ang ganda ng outfit nila. It's giving Y2K pero makabago. Tapos meron silang pinaglalaban. Pag may pinaglalaban ka talaga, you are something.
Marunong i-visualize yung message.
Yeah. And siguro sa technical part, production guys, on point. On point yung production. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-cameo ni Jay Park dito. Ang ganda din ng ng pagkakatagpi-tagpi ng scene. May story talaga tong Sauce Bean.
Saka ang astig ng transition.
Yeah, the transition guys, it's super maangas. Ang galing.
Tapos yung 4 na parang yung kanina.
Yung parang
Parang
Alvin and the
sinusymbolize din sila.
Yes. So, ang galing. I think, overall, this is gonna be big. Sana marami na pa silang i-post. And comment nyo din guys kung may mga sasasuggest kayong videos nila. Kukomentan namin yun. Ayun, sobrang angas talaga overall. Bago talaga no? This is new. It gives me new vibes na parang, okay, may bagong malupit. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Parang,
Feel ko sisikat din sila.
Sisikat sila talaga. I'm pretty sure. With yung ganitong energy. Tapos, ano pa ba yung mga details na napansin ko? They're very talented overall. Tapos, fashion, they have their own personalities.
Mm-hmm.
How about you?
For me, parang new siya sa eyes ko. Kasi, I've been watching yung mga dating K-pop MVs. Hindi siya yung ganto na ganto talaga. Like, meron siyang sariling vibes.
May ini-image siyang,
Mm-mm.
So, parang bagong branding. Tama ba?
Yeah, I think.
Or, hindi. I think the best way to put it is, it's a new experience.
Yeah.
Parang bagong movie na panood mo.
Mm-mm.
So, yeah. Solid. And may question ako ngayon. Ano kayo maging pangalan ng fanbase nila? Long Shot. Paano gagawa ng fanbase nila? Long Shot yan.
Meron na kaya?
Hindi ko alam. Guys, comment down below kung ano magiging pangalan ng fanbase ng Long Shot. Is it Long Shantians? Joke lang.
Tapos fan na din pala nila.
Oo. Pero ako, guys, I'm a fan na also. I'm expecting more of their work. And I hope they will be more successful kasi debut pa lang to. So, yun. If you have any reaction na i-request, guys, gawin namin commentary. Comment down. Or click nyo mismo yung link or yung pangalan whatsoever. We will be creating contents on that. Hindi kami magkikreate ng contents ng trip-trip lang namin. Gusto namin suggestion nyo. Seryoso yun. And lahat na i-comment nyo ngayon, re-reactan talaga namin. That's a promise. So, expect for daily videos, reaction videos. And I hope na-enjoy nyo guys. Isa lang ang wish namin. Sana mag-subscribe kayo.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and share. We put then if you want to follow us. By the way guys, this is our hobby. Trip lang talaga namin to kasi we love music. And she loves K-pop. So pinag-merge namin yan. Kaya merong pause and play with AJ. So again guys, thank you so much. If you have feedback, question, or whatsoever, if you want to connect with us, anything nasa description na lahat. Again, this is JC.
And this is Andrea.
Signing off. Pause and play with
AJ.
Bye-bye.